Ryan Reynolds is an elite actor, but did you know that he asks for a minimum of $20 million for any upcoming role? For as long as we can remember, we have seen Ryan killing it on screen, and he's had many great parts, from superheroes to comedians. We know how desperate you are to take a peek inside Ryan's millionaire lifestyle. What makes it so unique? Let's get right to it. Ryan Reynolds and his wife live in an apartment in a high-end Tribeca building. According to reports, they've spent very little time in it since they bought it for around $4.5 million. Ryan Reynolds has managed to gain an impressive net worth, but how does he spend it all? Let's find out. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you some crazy details about the millionaire lifestyle of Ryan Reynolds. So, make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Ryan Rodney Reynolds is a Canadian actor and film producer. He began his career starring in the Canadian teen soap opera Hillside and had minor roles before landing the lead role on the sitcom Two Guys and a Girl. Ryan Reynolds is one of the world's biggest movie stars today, and with a net worth of more than $100 million, Ryan has made some insane purchases. Ryan and his wife spent $6 million on their New York home. The house was built in 1960 and it has so much space inside. There are 7 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. His wife, Lively, has shown off the pictures of their home on Instagram. Their home also has a massive closet with seemingly endless shelves, and on those shelves sits the most expensive shoe collection. Did you know that Ryan is a fan of fast sports cars? So, which expensive cars does he own? Well, don't worry, that is next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. According to reports, Ryan owns some of the most unique cars in the world, including Dodge Challenger, a 2011 Toyota Prius, a 2012 Chevy Equinox, a 2012 Cadillac Escalade, and a Nissan Leaf. In addition to cars, Ryan is also a fan of motorbikes. He owns a Triumph Tiger, a 1975 Honda CB750, a fully customized 1964 Triumph 650, a Ducati by Paul Smart, a Triumph Bonneville, and a Triumph Thruxton by Cott Motorcycles. Obviously, Ryan loves to ride fast. Ryan bought the most expensive 18-karat rose gold diamond earrings for his wife as a Valentine's Day gift. The earrings are shaped like an arrow, and we think that Ryan made a very unique choice. He also spent nearly $2 million for the engagement ring he bought for Lively, and we are sure that he impressed his wife with the stunning engagement ring. The ring is a 12-karat oval-cut diamond set in rose gold. Ryan has always been spotted in stylish designer clothes, and he even won the Sexiest Man of the Year award. He spends thousands of dollars to maintain his wardrobe. We have found out that his favorite brand is Dior, and we all know how expensive and luxurious their products are. Ryan Reynolds has a reputation of a nice guy in Hollywood, and he has also invested a big sum of money for charitable causes. And that's all for today, guys. What do you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Ryan Reynolds? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.